Hi, HackFS. I'm excited to show you what I've been working on for the last few weeks. It's a Web3 notebook app called Doxx. So Doxx is a Web3 notebook linked to your ENS name or Ethereum address. It uses IDX, Ceramic, IPFS, and Web3 storage to publish your documents on the decentralized web. I was heavily inspired by Notion's seamless editor and data model, and especially interested in exploring the challenges of building a responsive, real-time app backed by decentralized storage. It was definitely a challenge. You can use Doxx as a blog, profile, journal, homepage, wiki, task tracker, and more. The block-based editor lets you edit text, upload files and images, and embed content. That's all stored on Ceramic and IPFS. The documents you create on Doxx are linked to your Ethereum address or ENS name using IDX. And of course, all those documents are public, so take care if you dox yourself. Here's how it works. Everything in Doxx is a block. Pages, text, content blocks are all tile documents written to Ceramic streams. That means each block has an immutable version history. Here's an example block representing a page. Doxx uses IDX to link your ENS name or Ethereum address to your documents. It maintains an IDX index of blocks and pages that are linked to your IDX profile. Profile pages read data from both IDX and ENS text records. Doxx itself is a TypeScript and React app hosted on ENS and IPFS. You can access it through a Web2 gateway or directly if your browser supports ENS name resolution at any of the links below. Finally, image and file uploads are all stored on IPFS using Web3 storage. Here's a demo. So you've already seen pages. Text blocks support inline markdown like bold, italic, and strike through. You can add inline emoji with emoji shortcodes. Lists, code blocks, and lots of other markdown elements work too. You can embed images, which are uploaded directly to IPFS, and files like the ETLO paper here. It also supports a number of other rich content blocks like bookmarks, embedded media, and even embeddable NFTs. To view a published doc, click copy link in the upper right to get a public link to your page. Here's an example. You can see there's a nice clean reading experience, and the author of the doc is linked in the upper right. This link will take you to their profile. So you can click your address or ENS name in the upper right to view your profile. These read information from your IDX basic profile and from text records associated with your ENS address. Here's my profile for horsefacts.eth. There's a link out here to Etherscan. You can see my display name, the emoji I've chosen, cover image, and some of my social accounts over here. Most important, you can see and view all my docs here on the left, including the docs we've been looking at for this demo. So go check them out afterwards. You can edit your profile, update all this information, and store it on IDX, including this supplementary username information, which is stored in a separate schema. And for users who don't even have any docs, but do have records on ENS, you can read their ENS metadata. Here's an example for Santi. I gave him a blue check because he's verified on Proof of Humanity. That's the demo. Here's what I learned. First, working with decentralized storage means getting used to a different set of trade-offs than working in Web2. You get really great guarantees about immutability, versioning, and verification, but you have to think a lot more about stuff like latency and serializability. That's Doxx. It's all up and available at doxx.link, doxx.eth.link. Check out my profile, doxx.link/horsefacts, and you can see all the docs you've seen in this demo today.